Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to introduce a new method of multiplying 2 by 2 digit. I know we are used to area model, and that's fine. However, you must be able to use both methods when you're using multiplication problems. For example, in 4th grade, we're going to be working with 2 by 2. When you do 2 by 2, you're basically going to do 25 times 34, and think of it as 25 times 4, not 25 times 30. For example, in your mind, if you can eliminate the 3 and focus on 25 times 4 only, that would be 5 times 4, and basically you're looking at a 2 by 1, not a 2 by 2. I'm just trying to help you understand it better, help you visualize it as a simple problem, as simple as 25 times 4. I know you can do a 25 times 4 2 by 1 problem. So basically that's what we're doing here. By crossing out the 3, instead of thinking 25 times 34, just think about 25 times 4. Simpler problem. So then you continue with 5 times 4 equals 20. Okay, we always regroup. You know, I like the circle on top. Now, we always go ones place times ones place. Now we're going to jump over to ones place times the tens place, which is really 4 times 20, if you think about it. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. That'll be 100. 25 times 4 is 100. We can check it over here if you want to. That would be 8 plus 2. That's 100. Excuse me. Not that 0 there. Okay, so now, what we're going to do now is, since we already multiplied the ones place, we have to put a placeholder here. So we're going to put the placeholder as right underneath the ones place. So this is the first row, and then where the 0 is the second row. And on the second row, don't forget the 0. Now, we are done with the 4, right? 4 times 5, we're done with that one. So now if you, in your mind, can cross that out and visualize the 25 times 30. 25 times 3, if you think about it. Make it a simpler problem, cross that out. And let's go 5 times 3. We always start with the ones place. 5 times 3 is 15. And we always put the circle there. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And then at this point, we just add the partial products. And your answer is, after you add the partial products, which is the parts, then your final product would be 850.